let's start by drawing a rectangle. See, let's change the width to 4. Now let's fill it with blue or any color you want. Let me zoom in. Now here the outline here is black. Now we want to change it to red or any color. Let's left click on the red color as we drag. Now release it on this outline. You see, it's changed. Let's do it again. Left click and drag and release it on the outline. It's changed. You see. Now we want to remove the outline here. We want to remove the outline. Now let's go to this white box with the red line. Let's left click and drag and release it on the outline again. It's gone. Let's do it again. Click and drag and release it on the outline. It's gone. So guys, this is the short way for you to remove outline or to change the outline in CorelDraw 2021. Thank you.